Hello friends, welcome to my channel, The Wheel of Dharma. So today we are going to show some light on Greek mythology and its supreme Allfather Zeus, who is boss of world of light. Zeus is the god of the sky, lightning and the thunder in ancient Greek religion and legends, and ruler of all the gods on Mount Olympus. Zeus is the sixth child of Cronos and Rhea, king and queen of the Titans. His father, Cronos, swallowed his children as soon as they were born for fear of a prophecy which foretold that one of them would overthrow him. When Zeus was born, Rhea hid him in a cave on Mount Ida in Crete, giving Cronos a stone wrapped in swaddling clothes to swallow instead. When Zeus was older, he went to free his brothers and sisters. Together with their allies, the Hecatonches and the elder Cyclopes, Zeus and his siblings fought against the Titans in a 10-year war known as the Titanomachy. At the end of the war, Zeus took Cronos' side and cut him into pieces, throwing his remains into Tartarus. He then became the king of gods. So, what are the parallels between Zeus and Abrahamic mythology? The name Jesus has vast similarities with the Greek Iesous. Either the name Jesus is developed form of Iesous, which means Hail Zeus. The Jewish peoples, also known by name Jews, has big relations with Greek name Zeus. Etymology. The name Jesus contains the Hindi word ja, plus su, ja, plus s, sa. The name Sus from Jesus highly connected to the Greek name Zeus, ze, ja, plus us, sa. The Greek city Troy has some various parallel names which are having great relations with the few names from Abrahamic religions. Troy, Greek Troia, also called Ilios or Ilion, Latin Troia, Troja, or Ilium, ancient city in northwestern Anatolia that holds an enduring place in both literature and archaeology. The Greek name Ilion has some great relations with the god of Abraham's name El Elyon, the Most High. The Greek words Iliad, Ilios, Ilium, and Ilion also contains the god of Abraham's name El. Jupiter, from Latin, Ipiter from Proto-Italic jus, day, sky, plus pater, father, thus, Sky Father, also known as Jove, is the god of the sky and thunder and king of the gods in ancient Roman religion and mythology. Jupiter is usually thought to have originated as an aerial god. His identifying implement is the thunderbolt and his primary sacred animal is the eagle, which held precedence over other birds in the taking of auspices and became one of the most common symbols of the Roman army. The Romans regarded Jupiter as the equivalent of the Greek Zeus, and in Latin literature and Roman art, the myths and iconography of Zeus are adapted under the name Aepator. So, Jupiter Zeus, the sky father, also known by name Jove, which may be a short form of Jehovah, Jeev. The name of God of Abraham, Jehovah, may be an elaboration of name Jove. Is the dove, the Holy Spirit of Jove. Olympian, Greek gods, and Eliyahu, god of Abraham, contains the same words Oli or Eli. Olympians, the race of Eliyahu. Jesus came in the name of Zeus. Yeshua came in the name of Yahweh. Father of Christ, Zeus or Yahweh. Deus omnipotens is almighty name of El Shaddai Yahweh. Otherwise the Latin name Deus, Proto-Indo-European Deus, means Zeus in Greek language, although Deus omnipotens means Zeus almighty, so Zeus is name-giving father of Jesus and Yahweh is spirit-giving father of Yeshua.